Welcome back. We'll continue where we left off. Here's a quick recap of the Stargate turbine running the generator with the 6-magnet disc. Let's see how it does. "8.2 volts at 12,849 revolutions per minute. That is not bad for a baseline test. Let's see if we can increase the voltage by going from 6 magnets to 8. As you can see here, I was planning on going clear up to 10 magnets, but the webbing between the magnets became too thin, and I was afraid of it not holding together with the high rotation the turbine produces. So 8 it is. Okay, we are all put back together with the 8-magnet disc. Let's give it a spin and see if we get an increase in power. That is a decent increase in voltage for just adding 2 magnets. We went from 8.2 volts to 10.3 volts with 12,815 revolutions per minute. Before we end this video, I would like to try one more thing real quick to see if it increases the voltage again. We're going to try adding longer screws that are holding the coils to try and collect more of the magnetic field running through them. It's worth a shot. You can see the attraction is much stronger now. This should work. "13 volts at 12,674 revolutions per minute. That is a big improvement. We're just adding longer screws. Let's take one more look at that. Well, thank you for watching to the end. There's much more to come, so stay tuned.